President Aquino sees a final peace agreement with the Moro Islamic Liberation Front. This even with his decision to let go of Marvic Leonen as government's chief negotiator to be the 172nd Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. The President spoke during the 5th National Congress of Code NGO. According to the Chief Executive, Presidential Peace Advisor Jing Deles assured him that a final settlement will be reached with the MILF.
Alam po, maganda ang ginawa ni Marvic na trabaho sa pagkakaroon ng pag-uunawaan. At kaya kinakabahan ako, papakawalan kita ngayon, hindi pa tayo tapos. So kaya ako napanggito yan. Kahapon kasi kausap ko si Secretary Ging at tinanong ko kay Secretary Ging, pwede na ba natin mapakawalan si Marvic at meron ba tayong papalit sa kanya? Baka naman maudot pa itong usapang kapayapaan. At sa totoo lang ho, maski na napilitan ng kapraso lang ho si Ging, hinako na ho niya lahat ng responsibilidad na talaga mapapaspas ang ating final settlement.